Hi guys, Cindy from Scrap Rack, and I just wanted to kind of pop on and tell you guys where I'm at with the ephemera, and all of in previous videos you saw the black. It's a shoe organizer over there with these acrylic pens in them, and this whole thing full of ephemera, and then it was like tucked in all of my cubes. Now I have just about all of the bought stuff except for my Tim Holtz stuff, which isn't moving. Um, just about all of it gone through, and I have some in my new little acrylic. Don't drop it. Don't drop it. My new little acrylic organizing system, and then the rest of it is in here. Can you believe it? Except for the stuff that goes with the collections and a few things that are on my table that still need to be gone through, but a lot of that is a mismatch of stuff that I've either gotten in lots, or I don't know where it came from. I need to go through every single individual piece and make a decision and do something with it. So there's that. But yeah, it's all in this, and I am so proud and so excited, and I'm really excited for the little drawer system. I'm hoping it works for me and it helps me with my decision making, because now if I want some sort of doily or something, there's still a lot in here, quite honestly, because I've put every single doily that I've found in here. But and there's a few in the collage fodder thing over there. But I'm going to go through these. Sorry, it's weird. I'm going to go through these, and I'm going to pull out about 2/3 of each of these kinds. I'm not going to look at them. I'm just going to pull them out. I'm going to put the rest of them over there with my doilies, where I can find them when I need to restock the drawer. Let's see, got another. What is this one? I think this is animals, and yeah, this one's animals, and I have animals and bugs in together right now, but I will, because I still have I still have like half a dozen drawers open that don't have anything in them yet. And I also have my drawers that are on my table. I have like my desk bits that I used to have in the little tin. I have them all in those drawers. It's just a, just a mismatch of stuff, and I think that is going to be, I think it's going to be good for me. I think that it's going to work. I'm going to test it out on a few videos, and I guess we'll see. But yeah, so I will turn you guys around so we can kind of go over a couple of things and get on with our hashtag finding my floor collab that myself and Candy over at Candy's Crafty Creations are, I guess, not sponsoring. I don't know the word. It's late. um, but yeah. So, and if you want to join in, just use the hashtag finding my floor and tag Candy and myself. And sorry, and you can join in and share your authentic craft room tour of before, during, and after. We're still in the during. Even when I get to my after, it's still going to be an ongoing thing. I do want to go over just a few things, and I kind of want to show you my donation passed down pile. So hang on. Okay, those two containers go. They 100% go. Now, some of them go to my mother-in-law for her way she spreads joy, and the other one is going to go to the charity shop, unless she wants to go through it, and she can go through it if she wants. This one still needs to be gone through, and this one is probably going, but I need to kind of sift through it real quick. And this one is collections. There is, this is, my table's a mess because this is what I've been doing. But this one is all of, let me show you. there's all of these cards and stuff. And they're probably like someone's digitals and stuff, but I bought them off of eBay long time ago. And you know, I mean, some of them I don't need all of these, but I need to go through each and every single one of them and pick out those are some that I made. But I just stuck them in there. But I need to go through those and figure out what I'm keeping and what is going. And these are all tags. Oh, don't fall. And these are probably all going to my mother-in-law so she can use them. Actually, I'm just going to put those over there now. We will put those over there now because I don't even need to look at them. And yeah, see, everything's still, this is where I thought I was going to put my ephemera. And if I do all of these little bins, that's not going to work for me. It won't, because I won't go through those. I'm not like that. I do have my long skinny ones, like bookmarks and stuff. And tickets. I have those and some of those, but I'm not sure they're staying in there. They may just all go in some sort of drawer or something. But yeah, so these are my drawers up top. See how they have just a mix of stuff in there. It's just randomness. And that one you can't really open. This one, well, that one you can't really see in. Let's see, how about this one down here? Can we see in that one? Yeah, we can kind of see in that one. It's just kind of random stuff to pull from. So I hope that is going to do me better. I have a good, I have faith in it. I have faith in it. I think that it's going to work. And yeah, I went over it before, but after watching Mary Lou, she went through and pulled all of her stencils and put them inside a binder. And I had talked about that before, how I had them in a binder. And then years ago, I got this mechanics thing, and I'll take you over there and show you. But I think I'm going to pull them all out. I'm not sure I'm going to go the binder route. I think I'm going to use one of my big 12 by 12 drawers. Keep them in the page protector, but put them in there so I can kind of sift through them. And I think I'm going to do the same thing with my stickers. And that means I'm going to have to purge some of the stuff that is in the drawers. So I have an open drawer to do that. And it also means that I'm going to have to purge probably not my stencils so much, but definitely my stickers. And I'm okay with that. I want that big giant thing out of my way. I have these great big, well, I have a big window that is completely covered. That used to be the only window I could see out in this room. And now that thing is in my way. So I want it gone. Because there's a field out there. And I want to, you know, be in my happy place and be able to look out and see critters if they're out there. So, but yeah, I'll take you over there real quick just so you know what I'm talking about. And then, let's see, this here, like all of these stickers. I'm not going to use all these. I don't even think I've grabbed anything out of here. For one, it's a pain in the patoot to reach into any of these. Let's see, like one from the top that you have to reach into to reach in there because this is in my way. And then this one is so tall that it's hard to reach in there and pull anything out. So, but this is the mechanics catalog holder. Sorry. But yeah, so that's where we're at. Still making progress, little progress at a time. I got pretty upset with myself with only getting 2 bins done the other day. And yeah, I actually kind of thought about it for a minute and caught my breath. And I did most of this that same night. So I'm kind of happy about that. And we'll see how much farther I can get. And then I may have you guys on here. Let's put that down. I may have you guys on to come along with me to go through the made ephemera. And my idea and the kind of thought process behind that is that if you see something that you either want to know where the tutorial's at, or the craft along, or whatever I did. I don't really do tutorials because I just make process. We do process videos. But the if you wanted to see where I originally had made it, or if I didn't make a video on it, I could possibly make a video if there's something that y'all see. I don't know. But that's kind of my thought process. That's my excuse anyways. My real reasoning is selfish because I want to be held accountable. I want my friend along to help me. I need you. So, but yeah, so that's about all I got. And just wanted to say thanks to everybody who has supported me, and all of your comments and everything mean the world to me. And check out the playlist, because the other ladies that have joined in are on that playlist. And make sure that you're going over to them and giving them support too, because I know it helps me and it will help them too. And yeah, but I just wanted to say thanks, and thanks to all my new subscribers. And yeah, so I'll see you in the next video. And until then, you guys go out and do whatever you can to spread joy. And make sure you watch another video where I go into the whole thing about spreading joy and sharing the story, and you can be entered into Joy Mail. But yeah, until then, you guys go out, spread joy, and love one another, and be kind, and be healthy, and be kind to yourself. Until next time, much love, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.